What is up, everybody? Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change your Facebook password. Let's get into it. So obviously the first thing you need to do is open up Facebook, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Then once you're here, go to the drop down menu. It's on the far right, click on that. And then you want to go down to just above logout where it says settings, click on that. And that will take you to this section. And then once you're in the settings, what you want to do is go to security and login. So go ahead and click on that. Okay. Then once you're here, go to the third section where it says login, and right under that it will say change password, and then you can just go ahead and click edit, or you can just click on the change password. And then you just put in your current password, and then you can just make a new password. And then if you're happy with your password, just click save changes. No, I don't want to update. And here will ask you if you want to stay logged in your other devices, or you can review and click which, and then choose which devices you want to log out. So if you don't know your current password, you can go ahead and click forgotten your password, and it will take you to this security code thing. So what you want to do is go to the email that your account is logged into and get the code for it. Alright, here's the code, so just go ahead and copy and paste that in and click continue, and then you can just enter your new password into here. And then you can also choose here whether to log out of every other device. So I'm going to press continue. Alright, so now our password is changed. If this video did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And leave a comment below if you have any troubles. I'll be glad to help out. And that is it from me, everybody. Have a wonderful day, and peace out.